Hey, welcome back. In today's video we are making this easy keto naan bread. Unlike the traditional one, this keto version only has 2 grams of net carbs and does not require flour nor yeast. I bet you could never tell the difference. You'll need about 25 minutes, 5 minutes prep and 20 minutes for cooking. Jumping right into it, let's take a look at the ingredients. You are going to need 3 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons milk, 1.5 cups almond flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 2 large eggs at room temperature. Okay, now for the instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then bring out a large baking tray, line it with parchment paper and set it aside. Melt your mozzarella cheese and milk in a microwave-safe bowl or a small saucepan. Whisk to combine. Pour your cheese mixture into a large mixing bowl. Let it cool for at least 2 minutes before adding the almond flour, eggs and baking powder. Mix all the ingredients well to combine. When done, you should have a fluffy dough. Use your hands to work the dough into a ball and then divide it into 8 equal pieces. Flatten out the pieces using either your palms or a rolling pin and place them on the prepared baking tray. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes until your bread is puffed up and golden brown. Remove from the oven and let it cool for 10 minutes before serving. Congratulations! You've just made some keto naan bread. Enjoy it guilt-free. Not only is it doughy, it's also fluffy and thick. You won't believe there's only 2 grams of net carbs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious simple keto recipes. Oh, and be sure to check out the links in the description box for my favorite keto resources.